Hi, I'm Jillian Trimber from the Finger Lakes Grape Program, and I'm here to talk about shoot thinning in today's VIT Minute. Shoot thinning is a practice that involves removing extra shoots from a grapevine in the spring with the intention of keeping the canopy open to light and air movement, as well as to balance the amount of growth on the vine to the amount of resources it has available. By opening up the canopy, we create a less hospitable environment for grape diseases and pests to grow in, and improve the efficacy of chemical controls. Greater sun exposure on the fruit leads to better sugar, color, and flavor development, further increasing fruit quality. Typically, shoot thinning is used on grape varieties where a premium is paid for fruit quality, and is most commonly done in vertically shoot positioned or VSP systems. The timing of shoot positioning is critical. You want to shoot thin late enough in the spring that you can judge the number of buds that have opened on the vine and account for any winter damage, broken canes, or other issues that may indicate you'll want to keep all the shoots the vine has. But you'll also want to shoot thin early enough that the shoots are still young and soft enough to be easily removed with your fingers, as this makes the process go quickly. 4 to 10 inch shoots are about right. This is often also a good time of year to remove suckers, and many growers choose to do both practices in one pass. Removing shoots prior to bloom also helps to ensure that the vine's resources go to the shoots and clusters that remain, rather than being used on the parts of the plant that you're discarding. The number of shoots to leave depends on the size and vigor of the vine, but typically we leave about 5 to 6 shoots per foot of trellis, sometimes more than that on a more vigorous vine or a divided canopy system like Scott Henry. If more than one shoot is coming out of the same node, take out the smaller or secondary shoot. Though the idea is to have evenly spaced shoots, if there are big gaps in the canopy, you may need to leave more shoots elsewhere on the vine to balance out the growth and prevent the formation of overly vigorous, less fruitful bulb canes. I also like to remove shoots where one vine overlaps with the next, as these points will become more congested and therefore disease-prone later in the season. Be sure to leave enough shoots in your renewal zone, the section of the vine close to the trunk where next year's canes will come from, though these need some sun as well to develop next year's fruitful buds, so you may want to remove just a few. Some years, a vineyard may require shoot thinning, while in others it may not. It's important to judge whether the time required and loss of some clusters is worth the benefit to the fruit that will remain. In the right situation, those benefits can be significant: cleaner, healthier, riper fruit. Thanks for tuning in. This has been another VIT Minute from the Finger Lakes Grape Program.